Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 2, Plants Give Us Food. Lesson 2. Name of the lesson 2 is the Plants Give Us Food. Plants give us food. Plants give us food. So yesterday I told you we eat flowers of some plants, and in these examples I have given cauliflower and broccoli are the edible flowers of the plants, and both of them are eaten as the vegetables. Broccoli and cauliflower are eaten as the vegetables, and they have food stored in their flowers. And now we eat seeds of some plants. 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 You can see that all cereals and pulses are seeds of plants. All cereals and pulses are the seeds of the plants. And you know that pulses and cereals are very important and they are very useful to us, and we use as foods. Cereals are ground into flour, and this flour is made into bread. Pulses are boiled in water, and then you can see that pulses become soft and edible. Cereals and pulses are the good for the health. In diagram it is given that wheat, rice are the cereals. I will tell you, wheat and rice is the cereals. Cereals. And moong, arhar, urad. Moong, arhar, urad. Moong, arhar, urad comes under the pulses. Moong, arhar, urad comes under the pulses. Wheat, rice and maize are the cereals. And you know that seeds of some plants give us oil. From which plants we will get oil? We get oil from plants like groundnuts, mustard, sunflower and coconut. Groundnut, mustard, groundnut, mustard, sunflower and coconut. Sunflower and coconut. We are getting oil from these plants. Which plants we are getting oil? Groundnut, mustard, sunflower and coconut. We are getting oil from these plants. I think all of you understood. We get oil from the groundnut, from the mustard, from the sunflower and coconut plants. And leaves of tea and seeds of coffee are used to prepare drinks. And after that, you can see that what have we learned in this chapter? What have we learned in this chapter? You have learned in this chapter, plants are the chief sources of the food. Plants are the chief sources of the food. Some plants have food stored in their leaves. Some plants have food stored in their stems. Some plants have food stored in their roots. Some plants have food stored in their fruits. Some plants are edible in all their parts. And all cereals and pulses are seeds of plant. All cereals and pulses are seeds of the plants. And you know that potato is the world's most widely grown vegetable, and we get many types of spices like cardamom, clove, cumin, black pepper from the plants. We get nuts such as walnuts, almonds, cashew nuts from the plants. And this chapter 2, plants give us food, completed. You can see that in this chapter I discussed about the why plants are useful, be it leaves of some plants, be it stems of some plants, and be it roots of some plant, be it fruits of some plants, be it all parts of some plants, be it flowers of some plants, be it seeds of some plants. And in this chapter we learnt about why plants are useful. So this chapter first you read, and then you have to draw the diagram of 3 pulses, Moong, Arhar and Urad. You have to draw the diagram, and then you will draw sunflower plant. You will draw diagram of the sunflower plant. And spices, you know that potato is the world's most widely grown vegetables, and many spices like the cardamom, that is the clove, cardamom, that is the elaichi, clove, that is the long, cumin, jeera, black pepper, kali mirch from the plants. We get nuts such as walnuts, almonds, cashew nuts from the plants. So this is all about chapter 2, plants give us food. Till here all of you take revision, and I will give you answer the following in the PDF form, and then you can download PDF from the study materials, and then you have to complete chapter 2. So plants give us food. Till here you will take revision.